welcome once again. From index number chapter, we have studied some of the methods of index number, like chain based index number, how to prepare, like simple aggregative methods. What is simple aggregative method is over there, how we can use a fixed year to make the index number, how can we use the average for constructing index number. Similarly, in today's video we will learn how to make base year conversion. Sometimes we have to change from fixed base to chain based index number, we have to change, or sometimes from chain base to index number we have to change as a fixed base. So this is called base conversion. It means if we are changing the index number from fixed base to chain base, that is a base year conversion. Or similarly, if we are changing, if we are converging the index number from chain base to fixed base, that is also called base conversion. So in today's video we will learn how to do the base conversion in index number. So the very first we will learn how to convert fixed base to chain base, and then we will learn how to change chain base to fixed base. So the very first base conversion, that is fixed base to chain base. Fixed base to chain base. For that conversion, index number of current year divided by index number of previous year. Multiply by 100. It means to change fixed base to chain base, what we will do? We will having the index number of next year divided by index number of previous year, multiply by 100. Then similarly for next one index number also we are having the index number of current year divided by the index number of the fixed based index number divided by 100. So the formula for that is current year fixed base index number divided by previous year fixed base index number divided multiply by 100. It means index number fixed base index number of the current year divided by fixed base. So already we are having one index number that is related to the fixed base index number. Already if fixed base index number is given, with the help of this we can change, that is called fixed base to chain base. Suppose our fixed base index number is given, year is given 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023. Index number fixed based is given. Suppose this is given 94, then 103, then 98, then 107, 117, 130, 152. This is fixed base index number. All this index number dependent. Suppose this all index number depend on a year. So if we are to change this index number into chain based index number, so for that firstly we will having index number, chain based index number. What we will do? We assume first one is 100. For second one, 103 divided by 94 multiply by 100. So first index number is 100. Second index number, that is 103 divided by 94 multiply by 100. For getting this, we will having 103 divided by 94 multiply by 100. So we were having 109.5, 109.6. Again Third one, 98 divided by 103 multiplied by 100. Because this is fixed base index number, so for changing this fixed base index number into chain base index number, what we will do? The index fixed base index number of the current year divided by fixed base index number of the previous year multiplied by 100. So that is 98 divided by 103 multiplied by 100. So we will having 94.14. Againly for getting this 107 divided by 98 multiply by 100. So 107 divided by 98 multiply by this 109.2. 109.2 the index number. Then 117 divided 107 multiply by 100. So that is 117 divided by 1.07, that is 109.34. 109.34. Againly 130 divided by 117 multiply by 100. So 130 divided by 117 multiply by 100, that is 1.11. And last one, 152 multiply by 130 multiply by 100. So that is 152 divided by 1.3, that is 116.9. So if you are to change from fixed base to chain based, then you have to use the formula that fixed base index number of the current year divided by the fixed base index number of the previous year multiplied by 100. So very easily you can having that is chain base index number. So it's very easy. You may be now how to calculate the chain base index number if the fixed base index number is given. I am giving another one question for having the practice of this chain base index number. This question are from the paper of examinations in Rajasthan University, Jaipur. So the numbers is like this, that is 94, 98, 102, 95, 98 and 100. The data for 2017 to 2022 is given. So that is fixed base index number. So change for the chain base index number. For getting the chain base index number, we will having that is conversion. Now it will be having chain base index number. For that, first one is 100, second one 98 divided by 94 multiplied by 100. For this 102 divided by 98 multiplied by 100. For this 95 divided by 102 multiplied by 100. 98 divided by 95 multiplied by 100. And last one 100 divided by 98 multiplied by 100. So for each of calculation, what we have done? Fixed base index number of current year divided by fixed base index number of previous year multiplied by 100. Now fixed base index number is 102. Fixed base index number of previous year is 98 multiplied by 100. So with the help of this, we can easily calculate the index number, chain base index number. So firstly 98 divided by 94 multiplied by 100, that is 104.2. So easily we can have it 102 divided by 0.98, so having 104.08. Then 95 divided 102 multiplied by 100, 93.13. This is chain base index number. 98 divided by 95 multiplied by 100, that is 103.15. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one 100 divided by 98 multiplied by 100, that is 102.04. So easily we can change fixed base to chain base. No problem at all. Answer is okay. Now another one methods. If this is conversion of chain base, fixed base to chain base. If we want conversion of fixed base to chain base to fixed base, just opposite of this. Second is, if we want to change chain base to fixed base, how we can convert this? Now for chain base to fixed base, index number, that is chain base fixed base index number of current year multiply by chain base index number of previous year divided by 100. It means we will first we will having fixed base index number multiply by the previous one chain base index number divided by 100. So with the help of this we can change our chain base index number to fixed base index number. It's very easy. Let me tell you how to calculate. Suppose our years is given, that is 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022. Suppose these years is given and the fixed chain base index number is given. Chain base index is given. This is given 80, 105, then 102, then 95, then 1110, then 120. So conversion, how to convert it? It's very simple. This chain base index is given. For chain base index is given. Now conversion. Index number. So first is 100. First index number will be treated as 100. First is fixed. First we have to change, that is first chain base index number is 80, so fixed base index number will be also 80. Fixed base index number. First one will be similar to this. Now second one, fixed base index number, this fixed base index number of the current year, chain base index number of the previous year divided by 100. So the answer will be 105 multiplied by 80 divided by 100. So there will be 84. Next one, the fixed base index number is current year and chain base index number of previous year divided by 100. $85.68. For this current year fixed base index number multiply by chain base index number of previous year multiply by 100. So this will be 81.396. Similarly, current year fixed base index number multiply by previous year index number chain base fixed base index number divided by 100. This is chain base index number. Sorry, I am saying this is first one. Chain base index number is 80, so there will be 80. Again, the chain base index number of the current year divided by the fixed base year. So formula will be chain base to fixed base is equal to current year index chain base index number of current year multiply by fixed base index number of previous year. That will be formula. multiply by 100. We have done some mistakes here. Okay, so no problem. What formula is over there? What you have to then first is 80. Now 105 multiply by 80 100, then 102 multiply by 84 divided by 100, then 95 multiply by 85.6 divided by 100, then 110 81.396 multiply by divided by 100. So that will be 89.53. 89.53. And this one 120. This is chain base index number of the current year divided by fixed base index number of the previous year divided by 100. So this will be 107.44. So that is 107.44. So if you are to change chain base index number into fixed base index number, there also there is no problem. You can easily doing so. I am having another one example for that. Suppose our chain base index number is given. This index number is given. Suppose this is 75 and this is 98, 102, 120, 1110, 150. This is chain base index number and we are to convert it into fixed base index number. One more, 2023, the number is 140. So this is chain base index number we have given. We have to change it into fixed base index number. So the very first one we will treat it chain base index number as a fixed base index number. Okay. Then current year chain base index number is 98. Previous year fixed base index number is 75 multiplied by 100. So first one we will having 98 multiply 75 divided by 100. So this will be 73.5. Now current year chain base index number, previous year fixed base index number divided by 100. Then 74.97. Againly current year index number, previous year fixed index number, current year chain base index number multiply divided by 100. So this will be 89.96. Next 1110 multiplied by 89.96. It means current year chain base index number, previous year fixed base index number divided by 100. That is 98.96. Againly 150, the current year chain base index number multiplied by previous year fixed base index number divided by 100. That is 148.44. And last one 140 multiply 148.44 divided by 100. 207.81. So with the help of these, we can easily convert the base of any index number, whether we are to convert from base fixed base to chain based or whether we are to change chain base to fixed base. So I think this video will be helpful to learn you how to convert the base of the index number. Thank you.